First of all, you need to check that your device is on. So the on and tracking light should be flashing green. If no light is flashing, then your device is off. To turn it on, you must press the button on located on the side of your device. Then press the tracking button for 5 seconds. During your adventure, only 2 LEDs should attract your attention. The on and tracking LED should flash green. Next, you must position your device in your vehicle. The device should be facing the sky. For the motorcycle, position the device like on the video. For the trailer, position your device on the strap of your bag like this. For the cyclist, 2 options: on the strap of your bag or on your bike facing the sky. During the night, there is no need to switch off the device as the sleep mode is automatic. To activate the medical assistance, lift the orange cover, then press the button for 5 seconds until the LED flash green. Then, do not touch the device anymore. Stay where you are and the organization will come to help you. Be careful, do not press again the button. Otherwise, it will cancel your request for medical assistance and the LED will then turn red. Finally, once the problem is solved, to start again, remember to reactivate the tracking by remaining pressed 5 seconds on the button. To request assistance other than medical, for instance mechanic 1, keep the button pressed for 5 seconds. If your request was a mistake, you can cancel it by pressing the OK button for 5 seconds. In short, check that you have your device. The on and tracking light should be flashing green. The device should be correctly positioned and visible from the sky. Once the device is placed and switched on, there is no need to touch it until the end of your adventure. The button with the little hand is for the medical assistance. The button with the message bubble is for the technical assistance. And the OK button is made to cancel an assistance request. Finally, thanks to our live tracking platform, your family and friends can follow the progress of your adventure. The Owaka team wish you a great adventure and do not hesitate to follow us on social media.